removing a drive cage assembly and drive backplane. Remove the following components in this order. Remove the node front cover from the compute node. All of the drives and fillers previously installed. Disconnect the cable connecting the system board and 7mm or 15mm drive backplanes. Remove the screw on the left and loosen the captive screw on the right. Lift the drive cage assembly out of the compute node tray. Remove the 3 screws from the backplane. Disengage the backplane and pull it out of the drive cage.